Hello and good day everyone. I'm Ik from the Honda guys. Last year we did a video about the Honda Sensing, and as requested by our viewer, I will show you guys in this video how the system actually works in real life. Before we start, I would like to remind all of you that we are giving away the Samsung Watch 4. To be eligible for the contest, first you need to subscribe to this channel and comment #THG giveaway. We will proceed with the giveaway when we reach 1000 subscribers. So do share the news to all your friends and families as well. Just a brief history. The Honda Sensing was introduced in 2017 in Malaysia with the introduction of Honda CR-V. And today, the Honda Sensing are available in most of the Honda car here. Only current Honda BR-V and HR-V doesn't come with the Honda Sensing. There are 8 components in Honda Sensing suite, which is lane departure warning, road departure mitigation, lane keep assist system, adaptive cruise control, front collision warning, collision mitigation braking system, the auto high beam, and the low speed follow. And today I'll be driving the latest generation Honda Accord to demonstrate to all of you how the system actually works. Let's start with lane departure warning. This system works when you change the lane without turning on the signal. The system will give you a warning on LCD speedometer, and you will feel the steering wheel is quite stiff. So in order for you to bypass this, you just need to turn the signal stop. So the system will allow you to safely change the lane. Next is the road departure mitigation. This time, the system will vibrate and gently correct the steering wheel and gently apply the brake when the car detects that your car drifting too close to the road barrier. Please keep in mind that all this system is made to assist you on the daily driving, not to fully take over your role as the main driver. Next is the lane keep assist system. This system will keep you in the center of the lane, and it will also guide the steering wheel while you are driving. The system will gently assist on the steering wheel and will keep your car to maintain its position in your lane. If you let go your hand from the steering wheel, you can see clearly that the system is working. But after a few seconds, if the system detects that you still not holding the steering wheel, it will shut itself off, and the main driver need to control the steering wheel again. It works above 60 km/h, and you know it is turned on when the lane keep assist system indicator turns to green on the meter cluster. Then we have this adaptive cruise control. It helps you relax your feet on a long journey on the highway. The system will automatically maintain the speed that you have set, and at the same time will keep a safe distance between you and the car in front. The system will automatically accelerate and decelerate the car according to the distance that you have set. And let's say there is a risk of collision with the car in front, the front collision warning will kick in and alert you with the audio and visual that will appear on the TFT LCD screen. And if the car detects there is still no input from the driver to slow down the car, the collision mitigation braking system will gently apply the brakes depending on the speed that you are cruising in. If the distance with the car in front is too close, then the system might apply more pressure to the brake to completely stop the car. What I have next is the low speed follow, which for me is a good addition in our famous traffic jam. This system actually works in tandem with the adaptive cruise control. The system works perfectly in the traffic jam, where it will automatically accelerate when it detects the car in front has started moving, and it will automatically brake when the car in front brakes too. The adaptive cruise control will maintain the safe distance between both cars, while the low speed polo are the one that applies the brake and accelerator. The last component that I have is the auto high beam. I can't show you how the system works during the day, but let me give a simple explanation. If you are driving in a dark highway, it is normal for us to apply the high beam to ensure that we have a clear view of the road in front. And if the Honda sensing camera here detect there is a light source from the oncoming traffic, the system will automatically switch to a low beam, and it will automatically switch back to high beam when no light source is detected from the oncoming traffic. So what do you guys think about the Honda Sensing Safety Suite? Does it help you on the daily driving, or do you still prefer a traditional driving without all this technology installed in your car? Comment below. Also remember that all this safety system is like a safety net that only assists you on the daily driving. You, the driver, are still responsible to take control of the driving and be alert on your surrounding. Do not rely on the system 100%. Remember to subscribe to this channel to join our giveaway contest and comment #THG giveaway for a chance to be our lucky subscriber to win the Samsung Watch 4. As always, signing off from this week video, I'm Ik, the Honda guys. We are all about Honda. See you guys next time.